As a student of Blue Frontier Path Academy, I really would like to express my heartfelt appreciation for their invaluable support and guidance that they provided me throughout the submission of my 7-pager. When I initially approached their services, I was uncertain and lacked the solid idea for my research topic. However, with their expertise and encouragement, I was able to navigate through the complexities and eventually submit a research paper that not only met the requirements but exceeded my expectations. Their dedication to helping students like me is truly commendable. Their insights, feedback, and resources were instrumental in shaping my understanding and refining my work. As a result of the assistance, I'm thrilled to share that my research 7-paper submission received high praise and came close to achieving a distinction, an outcome I once deemed unattainable. I am looking forward to continue on this journey with them until my final research submission in November. I'm eternally grateful for their time and effort in investing in my academic journey. Their commitment to excellence is very unwavering, and I am really deeply grateful for their services. Thank you.